fix her. So she's like usually my go-to winter wig just because I like the bangs. But as you can see, sis is going through a rough patch right now. So I'm gonna flat iron her and make her look cute, okay? Because I look crazy. Going with my Garnier serum to smooth out the hair. Take out the frizzies.
C'est mon cœur, je n'oublie pas. Penzi qui donne najua ndoto yangu. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman. Pour toi j'oublie pas tous ces beaux moments. Ton sourire m'aide à gagner mes défis. J'ai trouvé l'étoile que je cherchais. Nalingi nakufa, bondi mabole monanga. Nandimi nakufa, bondi mabole monanga. Je ferai l'impossible pour te prouver mon amour, bébé. Les femmes comme toi y'en a pas mille, bébé. J'embellirai ta vie, maman. Makanganga na maladie. Okoma metsananga, bakanganga na maladie. Okoma metsananga. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman. Mon cœur sentit maman, y'a pas de si pour toi maman.
Alrighty guys, so this is the Beauty Forever unit that I purchased. 180% density, pre-plucked long straight hair. And it comes with a 13x4 frontal. And this is actually the wig. So it's just been in storage and I would wear it all the time. I just took it out to review finally because I wanted to really test out the quality. And guys, this hair, I love it. It hardly sheds. Like whenever I actually brush my hair, very few strands come out of the unit. It is secure on there. I did not cut the lace or anything in this unit just because there was no need to. I just cut my bangs myself. They're not the best, but you know, I got the job done. And I just straightened my hair. It was in storage, so that's why it was looking a hot ass mess. I just keep all my wigs in a drawer to save space versus putting it in a mannequin. The mannequins take so much space. But yeah, I just put in my serum and I flat ironed this baby and it's still the same silky texture that I remember it being. The quality of this hair is really good. I paid my own money for this wig, so I'm not getting paid to say this, but I really do like the quality of this wig. I just cut out the bangs myself. I know I got this in 22 inches and it was $235 for a full lace wig that's already pre-made. I did cut bangs into this hair. The bangs did not come included. I mean, I didn't do the best job with the bangs, but it gets the job done. It was the look that I was going for. The next time I do order this wig, I am gonna just leave it in its natural state without cutting any bangs and just see how the 13x4 lace frontal lap. I didn't cut any of the lace. It does come with clips for you to clip your hair. The full structure of the wig is very functional. It's very durable. Shipping, it was actually pretty fast. I got the hair in about 4 days. So once from there, it was really nicely packaged. I took out the hair. It came with, you know, eyelashes and a thank you note. I started customizing the hair to my liking, but I had a really good experience with Beauty Forever hair. Put in some serum and flat iron this baby, and it's literally back to life. Definitely order more hair from there because the quality. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.